back here now, and all's quiet. It was back in here somewhere, but I heard it. I'm not seeing anything, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to review the footage that I'm taking now, because sometimes I don't see things with my eyes, but I'll pick them up in the video. I've seen all kinds of things in my videos that I didn't even know were there when I was taking the video. So that's part of the reason I'm making this video, is so that I can review the footage and see if anything stands out. Huh. I don't know. The eyes play tricks. Okay. Yeah. I'm over on the property now of my neighbors. Well, of the neighbors where I work sometimes. I don't normally come over here without permission or when I'm not expected, but given what's just happened, or what I think may have happened, it's an exceptional situation. I'm concerned about my little deer. I haven't seen her in a long time. We buried a little cat here. Good night, little cat. Good night, little kitty cat. Precious one. I always speak to the little cat that we buried here last year from the cat rescue. It was a sad story. Anyway, I'm looking here to see, not seeing anything out of the ordinary.